Good morning, all. Today we'll be discussing new drugs as referred in the New Drugs and Clinical Trial Rules 2019. So it refers to as a new drug will be any API containing or any phytopharmaceutical containing product which has not been used in the country to any significant extent, except in accordance with the previous provisions of the Act and rules made thereunder. So for a normal perspective, what does this mean? This means कि any drug which has not yet been approved, may it be containing an API or may it be containing a pharmaceutical product. So for herbaceuticals, for nutraceuticals, for API containing drugs, for all of these things, this is applicable. Next, the second is a drug approved by the Central Licensing Authority for certain claims and proposed to be marketed with modified or new claims, including indication, route of administration, dosage and dosage forms. So what does this mean? This means any drug which has been approved from other indication is being repurposed for some other indication. Also, the route of administration or the dosage form is being changed. So for example, if you are taking syrup and it is being converted into tabular form, for example, if it is in a capsule format, it is being converted into jelly format. So in all these cases, the second part will be applicable. Third is a FDC combination. So in FDC combination, what does this mean? A fixed dose combination of two or more drugs approved separately for a certain claims or proposed to be combined for the first time in a fixed ratio or when the ratio of ingredients is in an approved combination. This will be the third scenario. What does this mean? This means suppose you are taking uh, two drugs and they are claimed to give synergistic effect. So in that case, this the third part will be applicable. Uh, so every time there is an FDC formulation with new ratio, you have to get a new approval. That is considered as new drug. Fourth is a modified or sustained release form of drug or novel drug delivery system of any drug approved by Central Licensing Authority. For example, if you are claiming any new sustained release format of the new drug, or you have uh, a novel drug delivery system for that same molecule, then that will be a new drug. Next is a vaccine, rDNA product, monoclonal antibodies, cell therapy product, gene therapy, xenograft. All these will be considered as the new drug. And next part is the fifth section, which refers as new drug terminology is applicable for 4 years for the first three scenarios. For case number 4 and 5, which refer to as the molecular antibodies, vaccines, rDNA products, and new like route of administration, for example, sustained release, NDDS. So in all those cases, this new drug definition will be applicable throughout the life cycle of the product. So for every new product, you will have to get approval from Central Licensing Authority.